Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Anya Swami and today I am going to be covering the topic commands in Navy. So first of all हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 commands हैं in Navy and now we are going to be talking about them in detail कि कहाँ कहाँ हैं, उनका नाम क्या है, क्या रैंक आपको Navy में होना चाहिए so that you can head these commands. So we are going to be talking about that and covering that in this lecture. So first of all हमारे पास है कि we have 4 commands in the Indian Navy. First we are talking about the Western Naval Command. So Western Naval Command का short form is WNC and this is headed by FOCINC, that is Flag Officer Commanding in Chief. अब यहाँ पे हमने W लिखा है because we have अलग अलग जगह पे same head करता है but WES से हमें पता लग जाता है कि कौन से side का we are talking about. So here we have Flag Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Naval Command. Now अब अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं so this इसके headquarters कहाँ पे? Headquarters are in Mumbai. So अगर हम अपना Indian Peninsula region देखें, so it looks something like this. ठीक है, so we have यहाँ पे भी have the Arabian Sea, यहाँ पे भी have the Bay of Bengal, right? So अब हमें यहाँ पे इसमें देखना है कि अब अगर हमें security चाहिए from the waters में अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे आसपास बहुत सारे दुश्मन कभी भी आ सकते हैं, so now how do we protect our coast from it? Because we have one of the longest coast area and longest coast in the world, तो इसलिए हमें protection के लिए appropriate measures लेने पड़ेंगे. So here we have Mumbai somewhere around here. So basically वो हमें Arabian Sea में कोई भी अगर एकदम से हमें support की ज़रूरत है, so that will be provided by the Western Naval Command. Now अगर हम इधर बात करते हैं कि आपको नेवी में कौन सी रैंक पर होना चाहिए या होना पड़ेगा to get this particular post, that is Flag Officer Commander in Chief. So you need to be of the rank of Vice Admiral. So you have to be Vice Admiral की rank पर in order to head this. ठीक है, now we have कि now this is also अब यहाँ पे हमने जैसे इसको छोटा यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, this is the same thing written here that you need to be Vice Admiral. Next thing is कि अब क्या रोल है इस कमांड का, वेस्टर्न नेवल कमांड का काम क्या है? So it is an operational command. Operational command मतलब कि अगर आपको कोई भी सप्लाई की जरूरत हो, कोई भी आपको शिप्स एकदम से भेजने हो, तो वो ऑपरेशनल कमांड है. कोई भी अगर आपको ऑपरेशन कहाँ से रन करना है इन अरेबियन सी, so that will be done by आपका वेस्टर्न नेवल कमांड. ठीक है, and is responsible for naval operations in the west coast of India. ठीक है. Next thing that we're talking about is Eastern Naval Command. Again, simple head is the abbreviation ENC. This is FOCINC, that is again Flag Officer Commanding in Chief. E क्या denote करता है? Eastern Naval Command. So now here we talk about कि कहाँ पर है ये? This is in Visakhapatnam. So Visakhapatnam again is somewhere around here. तो अब यहाँ से हमें Bay of Bengal में हम protection अपने आप को provide कर सकते हैं. Even this area जो है, in this particular जो हमारा headquarter है, this was used during जो गाजी वाला attack हुआ था हमारे ऊपर. So for that, उस वाला protection में in the waters of Bay of Bengal was provided by Visakhapatnam Coast. And if you have seen the movie also, you will see how important and integral this particular headquarter is. ठीक है, so then we talk about कि now again this is कौन इसको in charge है, कौन इसके लिए in charge है? Again we have the Vice Admiral, because basically हमारे पास just command का location is different, बाकी सारी चीजें are same for the Eastern Naval Command, because again this is an operational command कि अगर कोई भी operation हमें run करना है, कुछ भी हमें वहाँ से काम की जरूरत है, कोई ship की जरूरत है, warship की जरूरत है, so that can be provided easily. And this is again for naval operations in the eastern coast. Next, we are going to talk about the Southern Naval Command. The Southern Naval Command है, that is again SNC, and this is FOCINC S. यहाँ पे तो पूरा South लिखा हुआ है, अगर S लिखा हो, so you know what it denotes. The next thing that we talk about here is this is in Kochi. ठीक है, so Kochi is somewhere down the south. So we have Kochi में यहाँ पे. अब this is different from the Western and the Eastern Command. How is that? देखते हैं. So first of all, इसके लिए जो हमारा in charge है, that remains the same. You need to be of the rank of Vice Admiral to be able to get this particular post. And now जैसे वो तो दोनों हमारे operational commands थे. What is this? This is training command कि जो भी हमारे personnel हैं जिनको अभी recruit किया गया है, वो कहाँ पर जाकर अपनी training लेंगे? That is Kochi. ठीक है, and now we have in all the training establishments come under this command कि अगर कोई भी training establishment है कहीं पे भी इंडिया में, उसका जो command है, जो सारी information उन जगहों से, उन establishment से जाएगी, that will be where? That will be going to Kochi. The next thing that we talk about is we talk about हमारा unified command. Now a unified command के लिए we have to understand कि होता क्या है. Unified command is basically जहाँ पर हमारे आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स साथ में काम करते हैं, and इसको हमने इंडियन नेवी के अंदर उसको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उसका किया हुआ है. Now this is present in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is what ANN Island stands for here, and Port Blair यहाँ पे obviously we have in Port Blair कि यहाँ पे जो headquarters होंगे वो हमें मिलेंगे. The next thing is again कौन इसे command कर रहा है, what rank is supposed to be of, that is Vice Admiral. और अब क्योंकि क्या है, we have three forces together combined in this region, so we can also have equivalent designated मतलब we have Army, Navy, Air Force. इसमें we have particular ranks and there are particular ranks that are equivalent to Navy and Army. मतलब आपके सारे में एक particular rank होगा that is equivalent कि यहाँ पे for example हमारे पास एक rank है that will be equivalent in Navy, Army and Air Force. उनका अलग-अलग नाम होगा but power they will have equal. So now this can be commanded by any of those. And now we have जैसे यहाँ पे we have flag officer commanding in chief. Here we have CIN, that is Commander in Chief Andaman and Nicobar. So अगर आपको कहीं पे भी सुनने को मिलता है, you know that they are working for the Unified Command, and you know it is उनका headquarters are in Port Blair, and what is his rank, and he is either Vice Admiral या फिर equivalent ranks. So अगर if you want to know more about the equivalent ranks, we will be also covering that in one of the videos in future. So you can go and look at that in our channel. So now we're going to that was all. So now I hope you were able to understand these commands and what all goes. Now we have first of all अब हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि what is the क्या काम होता है of यहाँ पे unified command है, what is the work that goes behind. So now the command has the operational control of all Air Force, Army, Navy. So basically Air Force, Army, Navy जो है वो सारा हमारा इसके अंदर आता है, and not only that, even the Coast Guard components are also involved. ठीक है, and now we have NAVCC, AFCC, CGCC and ACC. अब इसका क्या है, नेवी का कमांडर इन चीफ, एयरफोर्स कमांडर इन चीफ, कोस्ट गार्ड कमांडर इन चीफ एंड एयरफोर्स आर्मी कमांडर इन चीफ आल्सो. ठीक है, सो अकॉर्डिंगली हमारे पास बेसिकली हर जगह की रिप्रेजेंटेशन आती है. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट कमांड्स एंड व्हाट ऑल देयर वर्क इज एंड व्हाट ऑल इज वेयर देयर हेडक्वार्टर्स आर, क्या काम करते हैं. So I hope you were able to understand this video, and if you have any queries, any questions, you can let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.